This is what we see when we go to the grocery store or buy a product, and this is mostly what we throw away. However, it's ending up here. Many of the solutions to our plastic pollution issue are in the palm of our hand. Garbage has become one of the most accurate measures of prosperity in 21st century America and the world. We throw away almost everything that we use. Urban systems, like landfills, have been a place for us to put our waste for over half a century. However, many countries that lack proper infrastructure have issues with their waste leaking into their environment. In a recent publication by Jenna Jambeck, it was estimated that over 8 million metric tons of plastic waste was entering the ocean every year from land. This was an estimate of how much mismanaged waste was entering the ocean, especially from countries like China, the Philippines, and Indonesia. Starting this year, China implemented their national sword policy, cutting off plastic scrap imports from countries around the world. In a recent paper published by Brooks and Jenna Jambeck, it was estimated that 111 million metric tons of plastic scrap would be displaced by 2030 due to this ban. There are many implications for plastic that leaks into our environment and into our ocean. It affects marine life, even down to the tiniest marine organisms who ingest microplastics. Plastics are found in our water, in the clothes that we wear, and almost all of the food we eat is packaged in plastic designed for single use. This especially affects coastal economies, worldwide human health and safety, and something has to change. Plastics can be rethought to where they're valuable and they don't end up in our creeks, in our rivers, in our ocean, and in our surroundings. Plastics can be redesigned. They can even be replaced with new materials. Plastics can be collected and proper infrastructure can be put in for that collection. Mitigation strategies can be implemented. Policies and regulations can be made, such as plastic bag bans and plastic straw bans. Intervention methods on rivers, such as booms or collection systems that catch floating debris, such as plastics, can be mechanisms to clean rivers and streams worldwide. Lastly, but not the least important, people can get involved. People can organize cleanups on rivers, on beaches, around their house. And this is exactly what my family did. We got together to clean East Lindsay Creek near our house and near CSU. We collected 2 full bags of debris from one small section of the river. This is what we like to call citizen science, where citizens take it upon themselves to inform people about an issue by going out and holding an event or some sort of public outreach meeting. Citizen science helps collect data and inform policy, but not only directly inform policy and pressure policymakers, but it also provides crucial data for scientists. From this cleanup, 2 bags of trash were collected, which was predominantly, you guessed it, plastic. Edward Hume says that we're putting everything in the ocean on a plastic diet. And when we look at the materials that were collected from our cleanup, you can see that one by one, as they're being pulled out, the majority of what we see are plastic single-use items. From chip bags to film low-density polyethylene plastic, to plastic bags, to rope, styrofoam, and water bottles. This is our plastic diet. This is our society's linear model of waste. The good news is that society and humanity has the capability to change and will change, to take our oceans from this to this.